So dear students, now we are going to draw our custom symbols. The first thing we need to do is we need to use a tool of KiCad, which is symbol editor. Let's launch this symbol editor. This will open up the symbol editor. On the left side you can see over here these are list of libraries that are provided by the KiCad. You can also make your own library. Before you create your own symbol, the first thing you need to do is create your own library. For doing that, go to File, go to New Library. Over here, you can browse where you want to save your library. Let me name this library as NXP Semiconductors and hit Save. You have to keep in mind that you should place an underscore, not a space, between the NXP and semiconductors. So on the left side you can now see that our newly created library has appeared in the libraries list of all the libraries. For my ease, let me pin this library on the top of all the libraries. So I have pinned over here. Now as you can see, if I click on this drop down, nothing appears as there is no symbol present in this library. But all the other libraries, like let me click over the amplifier audio, this will give me a list of symbols that are present in the amplifier audio library. Now in order to add symbol into this NXP semiconductors library, right click on it and click new symbol, or you can hit N on your keyboard. So let me click on this new symbols. This will open up a window that will ask few of the things about the newly created the symbols you want to create. The first thing it asks is symbol name. So for our easiness, we are going to write the component name in the symbol name, which is PCA 9505. So let me write over here PCA 9505. Then it is a default reference designator. For ICs it should be U. Number of units per package, for our current symbol it should be 1. If you have a big component so that you want to make multiple units out of it, you can increase the number of units by clicking over here as many as you want. But currently I am going to design my symbol in a single unit. So keep all these settings as it is and hit OK. Now you can see that a symbol has with the designator U has appeared over here. So few of the things before creating the symbol is that on the left side you can over here it is you can switch between grids. I hope you can see dots over the window. You can display background window grid or not by unselecting it, and you can choose your measurements, either it's in inches, mils or mm, and you can also switch display of full window cursor like you can see over here, and you can see a bunch of other settings. Now we see where is our 00 location. You can see over here this x is -50, y is 250. This is the location of my cursor. So you have to see as I move towards the center, this is our 00 location. So till now we have created new library and added the symbol in our library.